Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the subtitle caption, font type, and style on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. And then you want to go down and select sound and vibration. And then scroll down underneath live caption and go ahead and open that up. At this point, scroll down again, and then under settings, select caption preferences, and then you can go ahead and toggle show captions, and then you can adjust the caption style and type right here, and you can make those modifications just by selecting the text size as well as the caption style, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.